Very good morning. Welcome. You are most welcome. We were studying verb. We have known the differences between auxiliaries and principal verbs. We have divided auxiliaries into three parts: primaries, modals and marginals. Now we will start today modals. There are only 10 modals, but whenever our questions come, my main focus is the board examination of yours. You will appear in your board examination in 22, and there we may be asked 14 modals. See here, can, may, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These 14 modals, we have to have a good control over modals. Actually, modals is very minute. See here, it has come from mode. Mode is our behavior, our conduct, our courtesy. It is minute. Modals declare minute details. It is related to our sentiment. Suppose, may I come in, sir? And if you speak, can I come in, sir? You will annoy your teacher. So, we must know the difference between may and can. I have written some sentences here, but before it, we should understand emotion, behavior, conduct, courtesy, etiquette, understanding, application. If we understand our teachers, we will never say him, can I come in? May I come in? I will always speak, may I come in? Actually, we understand. It is the question of our understanding. It is the question of our regard. If we regard our teachers, we have to be polite. See here, can and may represent present tense. Could and might, can, could, may, might. Could and might represent past tense. Shall and will represent future. Shall, should, be to. Will, would, be to. Future in the past, into be to. All, must and ought to. Some extra. We read them in marginals. Need, dare, used to. And we have to read an extra modals according to CBSE. To, have to. But see here, there were only two modals which take to, out to, used to. And here we have again to, have to. To have is a family. Had to, have to, shall have to, will have to, should have to, would have to, in this way. We have to understand some of its special features, special qualities. It has no V3, V4, V5 form. So, we can't write cans. We can't write canned. We can't write canning. See here, V5, V3, V4. We can't write them. Even could. Could is V2, it is not V3. So remember, it has no V3, V4, V5 forms. So be careful. And that is why modals are called defective verbs. Defective, there are some lackings, so defective verbs. It is followed by V1. As he can go is correct, he can went is wrong. So it is always followed by V1. It never comes alone. We can't write can or may or any of modals alone. Sometimes V1 is understood. Understood. What do you mean by understood? Understood is hidden. Take an example. Can you help me? The question is, can you help me? The answer is, yeah, I can. See here, I can is alone here can, but here help is understood. So, yeah, I can is yeah, I can help you. So, sometimes V1 is understood. Here, V1 is understood. And it is not always the same V1 according to the previous sentences. It makes or mars the courtesy. It makes means to say it opens all the paths. Suppose you are going to meet your principal and you ask him at the gate, can I come in, sir? It will mar you. It will devastate all your efforts. But if you speak, may I come in, sir? He will become pleased with you. So remember, modals are very minute, they are very abstract. Sometimes even myself or scholars may make some mistakes, so be careful. Now see here, I have written here some sentences using different modals. See here, he helped me, always the same. But here we can, may, will, shall, should, would, must, and others. Here you have to understand what are the differences between these sentences. He can help me. He has the capacity to help me. He may help me, means he may help me, he may not help me. This is 50-50 probability, possibility. He will help me. In future, you think that he will help you because you have helped him sometimes ago. He shall help you. Here shall means he will necessarily help you. So he shall help me. He should help me. It is according to moral duty. He should help me. It is morality. It is the question of morality. It is the question of your behavior, your relation. He would help me. Here it is the question of imagination, supposition. He would help me. He must help me. It is under the force of compulsion that he must help me. So, such things you have to understand the feeling. Such feelings we have to find out, we have to locate. Generally, the questions are based on fill in the blanks. You will be given some questions only with blanks. You have to understand. What should we understand? We have something as politeness, capacity, ability, wish him good luck, all the best, such things. Purpose. Sometimes we do something for a certain purpose. Morality, nationality, gratefulness, only future, threatening. See here, threatening. Generally, sometimes we use threatening. Intention, compulsion, order. Harder order is command. Command. So such things you have to find out from the fill in the blanks. Whenever you see a blank and you are asked to fill modals in the blanks, then you have to think of such things. As I have told you just a minute ago that see, there are two sentences. I come in, sir. I come in, bro. See here, the mystery is hidden in sir and bro. Bro is the short form of brother. So, and here, sir. Sir is one stage forward from us. He is respectful, whereas our brother is loving. They are affectionate. So here, may I come in, sir? And here, can I come in, sir? It is for equality and it is for politeness. So, such feelings you have to understand. Whenever you are asked, you have to put focus on the feelings. And such feelings, you will find such feelings. Somewhere you will find politeness. Some things I have forgotten to write, but we have to understand them. When we will read one by one after another, then we will decide how or where can is used, how and where may is used, how and where could is used. Sometimes we see that could is past here, and sometimes we use it for present also. So these are some differences, variations. So we have to focus on our variations also. So at first, our first duty is to find out the feelings. And the feelings are politeness, capacity, ability, with such feelings. We need to locate, we need to find out such feelings, and then we will be able to fill in the blanks. So this much for today. Study it very well, and we will meet again with the detailment of each and every modals. So be careful and don't hesitate to ask questions. Generally, I tell you every day that you should put your good questions in the comment box, and then we will try to answer. Yesterday, the previous day, I have taken out all of your confusions and doubts in the same way. If you don't ask question, how can I know what you know, what you don't know, and where you are doubtful, when you are not? So don't hesitate, don't forget to intimate me. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Take care.